King Kong. Hey guys, Christopher Gomez here with a special unboxing, horror unboxing. This one comes courtesy of Shout Factory, and today was the perfect day to receive this. I just got back from another viewing of Godzilla vs. Kong at the Chinese Theater down in Hollywood, and got to take a picture in front of the giant King Kong at the Hollywood Wax Museum. And so I wore this shirt for this video and got home and got this really cool package. Now, for those of you that don't know, Shout Factory, they're always on top of their game when it comes to like special releases of really obscure titles. This is no exception. They announced recently, earlier this year, that they were going to put out a special edition on Blu-ray of the 1976 remake of King Kong, which has only been out on DVD. Not only that, but for the first time ever, they were releasing the 3-hour television cut of the movie that has a whole bunch of deleted scenes. And that, that was what I was really looking forward to watching was that cut. I remember watching it as a kid, and it's kind of like this vague memory. But on top of the Blu-ray, the Blu-ray comes with really cool original artwork, and in addition to that, you get a poster of that artwork. And I saw a picture of it online, and it looks really cool. So we're gonna open up this bad boy and see what it looks like. And where are my scissors? There they are. Let's take a look. And also, the Blu-ray does come with a couple of other special features as well, in addition to the TV cut. But the TV cut for me was like the pinnacle of really why I wanted to get this, because I already own the movie on DVD. Owned the soundtrack by John Barry, which is very underrated. I think the whole movie's underrated, to be honest. And I've also kind of watched it around every 9/11 because of there's something very poignant about the fact that at the end of the movie he climbs up the World Trade Center, and with the aesthetic of how tragic the ending of that movie is to the real life tragedy, there's something poignant about the whole thing. And well, that's cool. Got some Shout Factory wrapping paper. Yes. So cool. God, this is beautiful. Take a look at the slipcover that they have for that. Look at that artwork. That is really cool. It's funny though, because with like the color scheme, it almost seems like they're making it look like the posters for the Kong movies by the current like MonsterVerse. Cool. We'll take a look at the DVD in just a bit, but let's see if we can unravel this poster. Look at that. Check that out. That is really cool. Like, even the tube is kind of neat. Oh man. Kind of oh, there we go. Yes. Oh, I really don't want to mess this up. Can I? Oh man, I really don't want to mess this up. There we go. Set that there. Let's see how this looks. Wow, that is beautiful. I definitely need to frame this. I don't know where I'm going to put this at. As you can see in the background, I already have like a shit ton of posters. But, not to be too nerdy about the whole thing. Granted, a lot of the posters that I have in the background are movies that some of my friends and colleagues have worked on, and they're signed by them. They're either movies that my friends have worked on, or movies where got them autographed by someone that was involved in the movie. But this is a beautiful poster. I want to see with my own naked eyes. That is a really cool poster. Check that out. I love the full moon. This is gorgeous. I almost prefer it over the original poster artwork for the movie, because the original poster artwork has a version of Kong straddling on top of the Twin Towers, and it's supposed to be a jet, but you can never make out what he's holding in his hand. And it's set during the daytime, which is not accurate to the movie. And Kong has this like really stupid face that does not do it justice to how he actually looks in the movie, courtesy of Rick Baker, the always awesome and amazing Rick Baker. And yeah, let's take a look. I'm going to pop this in tonight while I clean my humble abode. The slipcover also, you know, looks identical. Yeah, they got a lot of special features. It's a 2-disc set with the theatrical cut and the extended broadcast television cut. New 2-scan 4K radio spots, TV spots, theatrical trailers, still gallery. Huh. I wonder if they have like any interviews. I know that there is a Brazilian / French / Japanese Blu-ray of that movie that has a really cool making of. For whatever reason, it doesn't look like they put it on this Blu-ray. It's not on any of the DVDs, but somewhere within the dark recesses of YouTube, someone uploaded this making of, and it looks really cool because they actually have a vintage interview with Rick Baker, and they have him like wearing like one of his gorilla masks, and it's kind of creepy because it's like the rest of his body is just like him in regular street clothes, and then it's, you know, this very mobile animated you know, articulate gorilla face that he made, and it's really cool looking. And they also, you know, praise the movie for what it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Definitely going to pop that in tonight, and I'll send you off with a little music as well. From the movie, of course. By John Barry.